Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this swish lace wig by Sensationnel. The name of it is Latisha. It is in the color flamboyant chocolate. When I saw this, I actually saw it on somebody else. I can't really remember who, but when I saw it, I was like, OMG, I have got to try it. I originally saw it in black, but I was like, let me try it in a whole different other color, something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone. So that's what I went with. And it's like a yucky type feel hair. It really feels really natural. I'm absolutely loving the way it looks. The wig itself, the hairline looks amazing. Like when I tell you amazing, it's like literally wet lace. It has such a good freaking closure on this wig. When I tell you, like, look at it, like it looks amazing. So it does have two combs on the side, one each on each side, and it also has a comb on the bottom of the wig as well as some adjustable clamps back there as well. So now I'm just going to go in with my foundation, and I'm basically just going to put this all over the lace just so that it can blend in with my skin tone more better. Some people use foundation, some people use concealer, some people use powder. Whatever works for you, do what works for you, okay? Before I forget, I forgot to mention that the wig is only 50 bucks. I will leave all the information down below in the description area if you would like to try it yourself and buy it. So now, as you can see, I have put the wig on my head, and y'all, I am literally looking in the mirror at this wig thinking, whoa, like, look at the lace on this. It doesn't need to be plucked or anything. It literally said it was pre-plucked, and it looks pre-plucked. I am shook, like, whoa. So now I'm going in with my Got To Be glue. Everybody uses Got To Be glue. Some people use like the Got To Be glue gel as well to lay it down, but I'm going to use the spray just to make it a little bit quicker for me. Now I'm just going in with my handy dandy blow dryer, and I'm just spraying the Got To Be glue and blow drying it so that the wig sticks to my head. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get it to where I want it. Let me just say, guys, this is not done any specific way. I am no shape and form, no type of professional. I'm just doing this to my liking and what I know how to do my wig and lay my wig. So do this part however way you want. As long as your wig is laid, girl, you fine, okay? Now it's time to cut the lace, so I'm taking a pair of shears and I'm going to cut down the middle first. Is what I like to do because I feel like it's easier for me. And then after I cut down the middle, I like to cut off each side of the lace one by one. And again, there is no specific way on how to cut the lace off. Just cut off as much lace as you can. Get it as close to your hairline as possible. You want this to look like your hair. So I would say just try to cut as much lace off as you can and everything should turn out great. Now that I have it laid and everything like that, it's not going nowhere. It is on my head, girl. I am combing it out a little bit. Like I said earlier, this is yaki hair. It is not human hair, so expect for it to have a little bit of shed. And again, yaki hair, it is a little bit tough to comb. It wasn't that bad at all. I really didn't have that much shedding, as you can see. Now I'm kind of just trying to figure out what I want to do to the hair, how I want to style the wig. I do know that I want to go for some type of ponytail. I just don't know what type of ponytail. Let me just say this, the hair is super easy to part, so I will give it like a 10 on that. I'm going to put this in a ponytail and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished results. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Let me just say this, I am no professional at all when it comes to installing wigs. I learn as I go, and I must say I did pretty good. I think I could have did a little bit better with laying the wig, but like I said, I'm learning as I go, and that's perfectly fine. You do not have to do anything perfect. Nothing is perfect. But yes, I love it. I thought that the hair was going to be a little too puffy for me and a little too yucky. But I actually like it. I like the way the curls are. It doesn't really get that tangly. Like I said, it is yucky and it feels like real hair. Like this looks like real hair, as you can see. It feels good. I'm pretty sure I can style this other ways, but this is just the way I styled it for now. But I do like it. I do. I do. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think. I have no other words. I really don't know how long this is either. I want to say this is probably 22 inches or 24 inches. I'm not sure. But yeah, I love the color. And this is the flamboyant. This is the flamboyant chocolate. I had to look at the box. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this color. I think the color actually does look good on me. It almost matches my hair color that I have now, almost. But this is so cute. And y'all, they have other styles. I will leave all the links down below on how you can order this hair. And yeah, I think I'm liking it. It's cute. I can't wait to style this so many different ways. Like y'all, I'm not used to really puffy wigs, but this is cute. And I feel like you can do so much with this. Okay, y'all, now I'm just rambling. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at LaShondacapri. Guys, also, I have applied for the Sephora Squad of 2021. If you guys could be so kind and leave me a testimonial, I would gladly, so gladly appreciate it. I will leave the link down below. You can also click the link in my bio on my Instagram at LaShondacapri. All you have to do is leave a testimonial and tell them how I impact you or why you think that I should be a part of Sephora Squad. So if you could do that for me, again, I thank you. I love you 1,000, 100 million times. And yeah, guys, that is it for this video. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.